Why is microfinancing relevant?
Why is microfinance relevant to Filipinos? It's relevant because a lot of the Filipinos don't have bank accounts. I think it just came out in the papers 2 days ago in the Inquirer that there's a lot of unbanked. Unbanked meaning depositors and borrowers. So they go to informal lenders with the high rates. So I think microfinance addresses the both savings, because our microfinance products have a savings component, and it addresses the lower interest rates as opposed to the informal lenders. Yeah.
What is the state of rural banking in the Philippines, and how could it provide the best microfinancing solutions to you?
The state of the rural banking industry is good. We're I think now 600 banks strong. Our branch network is increasing. To better address the clients, on your second question, is technology plays a big part. Now we are able to offer, in our case, we offer GCash and smart payment through text. We also have we can do loan applications in the field. Our account officers are equipped with netbooks. They fill up application forms digitally, then they're processed outside of the bank.
What is the story of First Macro Bank? How did it start? When was it established? And how has it delivered the microfinancing portfolios through the years?
It started 1960 as Rural Bank of Pateros. With regards to microfinance, even before it became a buzzword in the industry, we were already actively lending to the CD market where our branches are located. With microfinance, it has helped put more structure into the industry. We started microfinance in the year 2000. So now we're on our 12th, 13th year. Yes.
So what were the challenges that you encountered in the industry and in the market?
Challenges initially, internally, was the culture is different. Microfinance is the traditional rural banking was our employees wait in the bank for the clients to come in. With microfinance, everyone has to go out. With regards to the market, we had to teach. There's a lot of financial literacy initially. This is how you borrow, the discipline of having to set aside money. We spent a lot on we spent time prior to giving them loans on briefing them on how to do proper finance handling. So those were the challenges. Yeah.
How did technology play a part in solving this?
Technology played a part. For instance, with one example we did was the PDA. We did Palm Pilot. Our account officers, before they leave to go out, they already know the collectibles and the balances, and they just have to update that. When they go back to the branch, they just upload, and all of the accounts are already in the system. So that saves easily 2 to 3 hours operations wise. With regards to text to payment, what it addresses is the security of the cash transfer. And another, with text to payment, what we were able to address was also the convenience to the client, so they don't have to physically go to the bank. So these are samples of how technology plays a part. Having a good MIS system is very important also, since we deal with volume of transactions. If done manually, it really takes a lot of time. So that's how technology plays a big part. Yeah.
Do you encounter current problems or areas the technology still needs to address, or And do you still need more technology to...
Yes, at the rate technology is going, it's we always have to be adept, and I believe it will always benefit the clients to be open to new technologies, to be more efficient. So there is still a lot needed. With regards to repertorial requirements, it's an ongoing process, so we always have to continue to upgrade our system. With regards to, right now we're working on, if you notice in parking lots in Makati, where the parking attendants have printouts of receipts in their PDAs, that's what we're working on also. So going back to your question, it's an ongoing need for technology. Yeah.
What differentiates First Macrobank in terms of technology, in terms of service delivery? What differentiates First Macrobank among the other players in there?
Probably our openness to new technologies and applying it also for efficiency. Yeah.
My last question, sir. What are your upcoming plans to further enhance, or do you have any other upcoming products, microfinancing products in the back burner for you to be released soon?
For this year, we got approved to open 3 microbanking offices. That will be 5 total at the end of the year. We're going to offer micro insurance, micro savings, and our micro loans. So those are the developments for the near future. Yeah.
And very last, your vision for rural banking and for microfinance.
To be able to continue to serve the communities where we are, being open to addressing the needs of our clients, the increasing needs and continuous improvement. For the rural banking industry, continued strength and stability. Also, we want to work to put our network to be stronger. We're also working on a nationwide remittance for all rural banks to connect. That's one of the visions that we want to look forward to and hopefully meet. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.